It was on 24th year 2005. It was on Tuesday morning where we heard that Vic Malim did road accident. May his soul rest in peace. We shall always remember him. And for everything we thank the Lord God, cause no man can change what God planned. And no man I mean nothing to God. So me come, me man, Matunga, me friends, rule alongside Dustin Capita Peter for a tribute to him. Come Dustin, do it!
Inendi namba utenga
Me receive a message.
Urifiki wakisia
Big man himself again.
Sinandi kutazedi
What a setting.
Odinda kaya msanga
Losa flame.
Kuma bendi limpantima Body sindilindeka
That alone.
Ulina nemunzi mungakale Gutubi wanditapwa
Ifaya fiki male
Me can't forget, you know.
Talila bagakale
Do it!
Ifaya fiki male
What a setting.
Talila bagakale
Lord God. Jesus, watch ya. It was 24 May 2005. You know, and Emma to me, I lost up me friend. What a great shock that me feel inside here. A lot of youth man feel up the somewhere. We wept and cry almost the all day. Cause we know this a world we not come here to steer. Dear sit a thing that you can't escape. No man in the world can tell me waste here. I weather right here, I weather right here. Monday or Sunday can come any day. But all of the youth you know fi steer in fear. Cause in a judge love you know is where we steer.
Talila bagakale
Show flame, you know.
Ifaya fiki male
What a great close.
Talila bagakale
All nation. Jesus, Lord, have mercy for our soul. Yeah, man. If I ima fewa mtu akadwala kusiyandu kuja osadwala. If I yotero yo ima wawa ima mpesa mtu ashingangala. If yakufiki ife inatiwawa kungo pita ife viki osadisazika. Jaffi and Gregory, them I miss you. Yapido and Star, them I miss you. Kate and Sasha, them I miss you. Tipel and Ipai, them I miss you. Edward and Code, them I miss you. Destiny and Lolo, them I miss you. Julie and Judy, them I miss you. Patty Risha, she I miss you. The whole nation miss he. Oh,
Ifaya fiki male
can't forget you.
Talila bagakale
But we believe what we will in heaven. For sure.
Ifaya fiki male
How can we forget?
Talila
Now we used to do everything together, you know.
mpaka kale.
Oriana limbonga mbale.